911, what's your emergency?
I broke my leg while hiking the mountain. I can't move.
Calm down, sir. Please tell me the last place you remember.
It's Giri Mountain.
Please stay on the phone. Rescue teams are on their way.
Central, this is rescue team. We are moving to the accident area. Be aware, we have 2 hours before sunset.
The local weather is fine, but rescue helicopter is currently unable to use. Use the MFA drone.
What is patient's medical state?
The patient has a closed fracture in his leg and he's exhausted. The patient is complaining of the cold and pain. There seems to be no symptoms of heart attacks.
Roger. We'll use standard module number 2.
Central, this is drone operator. Rescue team has just set off. It will take about 3 hours on foot.
We'll use standard module number 2.
Need a drone takeoff?
It is.
Operator, keep in line and report the drone operation and status. What's the ETA?
The head beaten blows, so the drone is flying about 70 kilometers per hour, and the ETA is 5 minutes.
We found the patient through GPS tracking. Expect a 100-meter circular error. How long will the search take?
About 10 minutes, depending on terrain.
Sorry, copy, over.
I can hear what's flying around me. It's the drone. I can hear red drone.
The drone will drop the supplies. How far can you move?
My legs hurt, but I think no matter what they find. By the way, does the supplies fall from the sky? Will it hurt if I got hit?
The front part of the module is an air cushion. It will be okay.
Yes, it fell off. How do I open it?
Please squeeze out the lever tip in front.
Yeah, I opened. I have a problem. My phone battery is low. It's about 15%.
There's an external battery pack in medical module. Rescue teams are on their way. It will take around 2 hours.
Okay, thank you.
We arrived at the target area. It's too dark here. We can't find exact location of the patient.
I'll try to activate the beacon. Yell the patient to turn it on just in case.
Central, we found the patient.
Evaluate and report back his medical condition.
His leg is broken, but body temperature and pulse are normal. He took painkillers, so he endured the pain. We'll carry the patient to hospital right now.
Roger, return safely.